A little over a week ago, DFW Honda delivered this brand new 2025 50th Anniversary Edition Goldwing Tour DCT to Cruiseman's Garage. Is this going to replace my 2024 Goldwing?
This video is sponsored by Cruiseman's Garage Honda Goldwing Maintenance Video Series.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Cruiseman's Garage. Today I have an exciting announcement. A lot of you have been asking about the status of this 2025 Honda Goldwing Tour, and I'm going to let you know right now, right up front, no more suspense. This is not my new Honda Goldwing, but it could be your new Honda Goldwing, because DFW Honda is going to be sponsoring a drawing for this 2025 Honda Goldwing Tour DCT. A little later in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you have to do to register for a chance to win this motorcycle. Now, DFW Honda reached out to me to see if I would be willing to help promote this drawing on my YouTube channel. And they also wanted to bring the bike over here and have me install some accessories. So you're not just getting a brand new 2025 Honda Goldwing Tour DCT. It's going to come loaded up with well over $1,000 worth of aftermarket accessories from the other sponsors of this drawing: Gold Strike, Pathfinder LED, Traction Dynamics, and Show Chrome. And Cruiseman's Garage might throw in a couple of little surprises as well. Now, in the coming week, I'm going to be putting out a series of videos to show you exactly what we've added to this 50th Anniversary Edition in a series of videos. So you want to make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Click that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that YouTube will let you know when these videos go online. So here's what you need to do to register to win this 50th Anniversary 2025 Honda Goldwing Tour. First, you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Well, not really. That's really not a requirement, but I would appreciate it. Second, you will need to fill out a form on the DFWHonda.com website. I'll put a link directly to that form in the description of this video. And I'll also put a link to the terms and the rules regarding this drawing. Make sure that you read those rules and the terms and conditions. On May 31st, 2025, we're going to hold a drawing at DFW Honda, and a winner will be selected at random from all the entries. So I encourage you, don't waste any time. Make sure you go ahead and register today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and YouTube and Facebook. And I'm going to be updating with more information about all the accessories that I've added to this bike in the coming days. So make sure you stay tuned for more information. Thank you, DFW Honda, for sponsoring this drawing, and to all of our aftermarket accessory companies: Pathfinder LED, Traction Dynamics, Show Chrome, and of course Gold Strike. Thanks for joining me for this video today. I look forward to reading your comments down below. And remember what I always say: ride often, but ride safe.